Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, sorry I have not uploaded any videos to update you guys on what's going on here. We're back home in Washington State. As you can see, all these apples, well, I pick a lot of them, so I cleared out most of the good ones. Yeah, my kids, they wasted all these really good apples. But anyways, still have my koi fishes. Yeah, I came out this morning and racoon was out here and trying to get inside to eat my koi fishes, and it's actually, I don't know how it did, but it basically took one of these hoses out, so the water was out. See, it's still wet from this morning when the water was really like splashing out from this hose here. See, yeah, because that's to circulate the water inside the pond. And yeah, and look, there's a hole here. Yeah, because it pushed this whole thing down, and for some reason was able to get a hold of that hose and pull it out, and all the water was splashing out here, and luckily I came out and chased it away. So I gotta do something to make the pond more secure, because this guy's gonna keep coming back. Yeah, a while back something ate all my koi fishes, and I don't want that to happen again. So basically no update here. Everything is still the same. Yeah, I'm very impressed with this patio here. Yeah, stays the same. I guess we did a fantastic job. We put it in what, 2018, 19, 20, 21, 22, so 5 years, going on 6 years. Now we have all of the trees are fruiting. So this guy here, we got all the cherries from it. Now we got a lot of apples, and we also had we planted this. And we already picked the fruits. Oh, there's some more there. See? Let me see. Yeah, my granddaughter loves the grapes. And I think she didn't see this one. But I asked her to come out and pick all she wants. And it looks like she left some here. See? Yeah. So grapes fruiting, apple fruiting, cherry tree fruiting. So I'm hoping that our ranch in Hawaii will be providing us with breadfruit, taro, and all that, because we planted several trees and plants over there. So yep, we're leaving to go back to Hawaii soon, in October. So 2 more weeks to go and we'll be back in Hawaii. And yeah, my son and our families in Hawaii are taking care of our ranch over there now. So they planted even more, yeah, more stuff on the property. All right, please don't forget to subscribe and like. And I gotta peek this before. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. So beautiful. Yeah. There's no scratch yet, so I better get it. You gotta eat this one. Yeah. There are some big ones too on this tree. It's a very good tree. I think I ate probably 20 or even 30 apple. But the red ones, very, very red. Like those. See? So, yeah. Oh, what a waste. Yeah, we gotta clean this place out and then put cover there so the raccoon don't come and hide over here and then snuck out to catch my fishes. In scale of something. Yeah, looks like my koi fish that I buried here somewhere that died because something ate it. It's tough. You gotta hide your koi fish from the predators. Yeah, you gotta hide them from the predators. Alright, so yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for sailing along with us here. It's a beautiful day here in the Pacific Northwest, here at home. Yeah, I don't know, but I don't want to advise people to come to Washington State and buy lands or house. It's getting so expensive. Yeah, but we got all these things flowering. Yeah. And I was going to set this up as a filter, you know, for my pond, but I did something with the filters, and because when I came back, you can't even see inside the pond because it was so muddy. It looks very muddy to me. And so I clean out those filters. I clean out this one here, and basically put a lot of more plastics and whatever in there to use as a filtration system. And overnight it cleaned out the pond, so now we can see the bottom of the pond. See, when I came back from Hawaii, you can't even see those fish. Yeah, so now very, very clean. Okay, all right, please like the video, subscribe to the, yeah. Thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this one. Have an awesome day.